Let's explore further into the world of knots with the knot of the week. This week, we're going to have a look at the figure eight bend. The video you're watching is a small excerpt from the curriculum at Knotskool. I hope you enjoy it. The figure eight bend is classified as a bend. Bends are knots used to join two ropes together. The figure eight bend is also sometimes referred to as the Flemish Bend or the figure of eight follow through. The figure eight bend is a variation of the figure eight stopper knot and is a reliable method for joining two ropes, especially those of differing diameters. Its strength and relative ease of tying have made it a favored choice in various rope-intensive activities. Structurally, the figure eight bend is formed by tying a figure eight knot in the rope and then threading the second rope back through the knot, following the path of the first rope. It shares the robust structure of the figure eight knot, but adapts it for joining two lines. To tie a figure eight bend, first tie a figure eight knot in the end of one rope. Then, take the end of the second rope and follow the path of the first rope through the figure eight knot. Dress and tighten the knot, ensuring both ropes are securely joined. The figure eight bend finds use in applications where two ropes need to be reliably joined, particularly in climbing, mountaineering, and rescue operations. It's also used in other rope-related activities where a strong and secure bend is required. The figure eight bend performs well with a variety of rope materials, including both natural and synthetic fibers. While it's generally considered a reliable bend, improper tying can lead to slippage or failure. It can also be difficult to untie after being heavily loaded. You can find the figure eight bend as knot number 1411 on page 258 of the Ashley Book of Knots.